this in today. Medify air purifiers MA-25.
Babe.
Morning. Captures up to 99.97% mold, certain bacteria and viruses, smoke, odors, VOCs, dust mites, pollen, pet hair, and dander. And it's a triple filters. It has 3 filters, but in one. And it's graded by the medical field compared to our coverage, area quality, and the best competition every time. So it's actually it actually has active carbon filters, pre-filters. It's a touchscreen as well with 3 fan speeds. True HEPA H13 grade filter media. Children safe lock. Oh, it has a child safe lock, so the kids won't be messing with it. That's what I liked about it too. So this is it for 160 bucks. Comes with the charger. I mean the wire, not the charger. And some instructions. Warranty.
Found it.
And this is it. You take that out. Everything else in the box. Okay. Touchscreen panel. This is it. Open. Touchscreen panel. It's actually glass. So you feel no buttons, you just tap it. It says, before using this product, please ensure all poly bags from individual filters are off. So I did see a YouTube video on the opening of this filter. I like that it's tiny. Look, this is my hand. It's actually not big at all. It's actually convenient, and it's very light, very light. You can actually pick it up with 3 fingers. Alright, so this is the final product. This is how it looks on the wall, on the floor, so you could get an idea. It's super nice, I love it. Feels really, really high quality, by the way.